my name is Januka Tajpuriya. I am a second year bachelor student studying Bachelor's in Information and Technology. I have always been fascinated with computers and different computer applications. Currently, I am in the second year of my bachelor program. I have been attending different seminars and webinars to accompany the course, which is helping me to understand my study area better. Apart from that, I am also active in taking online courses from different online platforms. I am fascinated by how data is input in a computer system and organized. My goal for now is to complete my bachelor's with good grades. In the future, I want to be a data analyst. Most importantly, I want to work on how to keep personal data safe on the internet. I want to get associated with an IT company and be able to contribute in this sector. Thank you.